In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. When you're ready, look for Auto Rotate shortcut. As you can see, mine is here. So when I click, it's gray. That means that auto rotation is now off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings. Scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Scroll down again and click on Gray switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on, or blue one to turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!